For your assignment, number 3 on your assignment. So number 3 on your assignment, make sure it is a decimal, otherwise you will get it wrong. If you try to use it as a fraction, you will get it wrong. So number 3 on the assignment, use a decimal. Everybody hearing me? All right, when you are solving a proportion, you're going to cross multiply. And then we're going to divide by the coefficient. That means the number that's next to x. Now, most of the time, if you don't see a number with x or a number being multiplied by x, all you have to do, simply just divide by what's basically not circled. So, if you want to know if something is proportional, the easiest thing to do is to cross multiply. Does 1 times 15 equal to 3 times 5? What's 1 times 15? What's 3 times 5? They equal, right? That means that is proportional. Same thing here. We're going to do 2 times 24. And we're going to see if that equals to 16 times 3. So what's 2 times 24? 48. Anybody know 16 times 3? It's 48. It's 48. That one I'll give you. All right. What about my next one? What's 12 times 8? 96. What about 32 times 3? 96. So see how all 3 of these are proportional? That means that when you cross multiply, they equal the exact same thing. We can even test to see if they're proportional by doing the exact same thing. Now, I'm not going to have y'all do every single one of these just because it's kind of, you guys can check them later. So we're going to go ahead and do this one. So what is 1 times 20? What is 4 times 5? Does 20 equal 20? What about 3 times 9? What is 5 times 7? Do these two equal? That's how you can tell, are these proportional? Now, we're going to do a couple of these. Now, you can do it other ways, but to do proportionality, this is the fastest, easiest way to do it. And it'll get y'all some practice on your multiplication. So these ones, you notice there's boxes underneath. So what's 1 times 45? Now, 5 times x is just simply, there's 5 x's. That's all that means. Now, from here, what do I do? How do I solve this? I'm at the very last step. I've just done all this work and solved all this stuff, did all the inverses. Now what do? Divide. Divide by your coefficient. So what's 45 divided by 5? 9. All right. I want to do a couple of these where I know for a fact you're going to get some decimals. So let's do 2 more, and then y'all can see if you want me to do an extra one. So what's 3 times 5? Bless you. 15. So remember, that always goes in your total box. Now what's your x going to be? 7.5. Awesome. Now what do I do to solve this? Divide it. Yes. So what is 15 divided by 7.5? 2. let's go ahead and deal with the decimal in the room. Please notice that I am not doing this one in my head. 3.6 times 9. What's 9 times 6? 9 times 3?
27.
Plus 5? 32. Now, there is only one digit behind a decimal, which means I need one digit behind a decimal. So this makes this 32.4. Yes, I went out of the box. Now, how many x's are we talking? 4. I'm going to divide this both by 4. And I'm actually going to do the division just to make sure that I don't mess up where my decimal is. How many 4s can I subtract from 32? 8. And then how many 4s from 4? 1. So I'm left with 8.1. All right, does anybody else want to see another one for the division or the multiplication or anything of the sort? No? Y'all good? All right, so remember, number 3 is going to be a decimal. I'm working on putting that in for you right now.